Hello guys, on this video I will show you how to make this BLUM poster in Adobe Photoshop. Insert background image and fill it to page. Insert BLUM logo. Right click and select rasterize. Select magic eraser tool and press on B. Insert second image on logo. Decrease opacity and replace it accordingly. Now increase opacity to 100. Right click and select create clip and mask. Now let's add clouds. So let's add balance. Get it top of all layers and resize it. Now add second balloon and replace it accordingly. Insert Binance logo and replace it upward of page. Now add BLUM logo and resize it like Binance logo. Select text tool and write BLUM. Add rectangle below of page. Select text tool and write this on rectangle. Go to character and select baseline shift like this. Follow my channel for more graphic design videos.